Prodigy is an engaging online math program where you can tailor student learning to exactly what they need it to be. On this end, it doesn't look super exciting. This is the teacher dashboard where I can add my students. Under the planner, what I'm able to do is create assignments that can assess them on certain skills. I can either choose one based on standards, I can do one based on test prepping skills, or I could create an assignment myself. Once I am able to pick what kind of assignment I'd like to do, I can send it to them on a calendar, and for those 3 days or however long you want that assignment to last on the calendar, they'll be assessed on a certain skill, and then the report will file under here. In my own personal experience, that's not what I am most excited about when it comes to Prodigy. What excites me the most is how engaging it is for our students. It looks very similar to programs that they use in their own spare time, and you will frequently hear that these students are playing on Prodigy at home. And even though it is a very challenging math program, you'll find that because of its interface, it's something that they really enjoy doing. So while it's loading the student end of it, I'll share the ISTE standard that I feel that this fits well with. If we look at D.5.A, we use technology to create, adapt, and personalize learning experiences that foster independent learning and accommodate learner differences and needs. What's excellent about this program is even without sending out assignments, it will send out problems of all sorts of standards and curriculum. And after it gets a general idea of where your students are at, it'll tailor its learning to what your students' specific deficits are. So if I were to log in as a student, you can already see from what it looks like, it wants you to create an avatar. I get to choose my hair color, eye color, I get to choose a pet that I travel with, and I fight battles with other players. I can connect to other players on Prodigy. In my own second grade classroom, this is a feature that I do not allow my students to use because we haven't reached that level of digital citizenship yet. But if you're in an older grade level and you trust them to connect with people that they know and trust, that's a feature that you can use. Prodigy is a tool that we use on our free times on Friday. So it is not only something that you can use to really help build some deficits in your students, but it's something that they really enjoy doing and even feel rewarded from.